In my last cookie recipe video, I taught y'all how to make these delicious white chocolate chip confetti cookies, and I asked y'all what flavor should we make next. Y'all ain't hesitate. I've seen it multiple times, so today we're making the strawberry crunch cheesecake cookie. If you're not new here, you already know. If you are new here, pull up your hair, wash your hands, let's go. Into your mixer, you're gonna wanna add 2 sticks or 1 cup of cold butter. If those are added, just beat it. I only do that for like a few seconds just so it gets all conglomerated. Next, we're gonna go in with our sugar. We're gonna add in 3/4 of a cup of white sugar and 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. Once again, just beat it. Now that we have that all creamed together, you're gonna wanna add in 2 brown eggs. Me personally, I think brown eggs do taste better in the cookies rather than white eggs, but that's up to you. After you crack your eggs, please go wash your hands. Go ahead and add those in, and once again, just beat it. Next, you're gonna wanna add in your vanilla. I do not measure vanilla. Vanilla is measured from the heart. After that, you're gonna add in 3 ounces of strawberry jello. Give it a good mix. We're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I like to give that just a little mix, and then we're gonna add in our flour. We're gonna add in 3 cups of flour, 1 at a time. Next, we're gonna add in 1 cup of white chocolate baking chips. On my cookie dough, I freeze for at least 24 hours, and it'll last in the freezer for 3 months and just bake as needed. But if you don't wanna wait for it to freeze, you wanna eat it immediately, that's fine. If you're doing 3-ounce dough balls from the freezer, you're gonna bake it at 350 for 15 minutes. And if you're not doing from the freezer, you're gonna bake it at 350 for 12 minutes. Now let's make the cheesecake frosting that will go on top of the cookie. To your mixer, you're gonna add in 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. Also gonna wanna add in 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and beat it until you get a whipped cream-like consistency. You're gonna want a consistency similar to this one. We're gonna take this and put it in a bowl. And then into the mixer, you're gonna wanna take 8 ounces, which is 1 block of cream cheese. And we're gonna mix that up. We're gonna add in around 3/4 of a cup. 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. After your cream cheese and powdered sugar mixture have been combined, we're gonna add in our heavy whipping cream and powdered sugar mixture back into the bowl and mix that all together. And there you have your cheesecake icing. Now let's move on to the strawberry crunch. Strawberry crunch, you're gonna wanna use around 12 golden Oreos into a blender and just crush them up. Once those Oreos are all nice and crushed up, you're gonna wanna grab some butter. Around 3 tablespoons. Now we're gonna add in that strawberry jello. Should have a consistency similar to this one. Add that into our golden Oreos. I just mix in a little at a time because it's one of those things you kind of have to, you just eyeball it. And there you have strawberry crunch. Once your cookie has cooled, you can begin decorating. I go in with the cream cheese icing. And then I go in with the homemade strawberry crunch. And there you have a strawberry crunch cheesecake cookie. Perfect for Mother's Day. That's a good one right there. Anyways, I'm about to handle business. Y'all let me know what cookie recipe y'all want next. Love y'all. Bye.